Welcome back, you guys, for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, aka the Nice Cream King, coming to you live with this microgreen thing. Welcome back, my friends, for video number 3 of this 10-part series that I'm doing, covering the benefits and the power of sprouting and growing microgreens. And in this video, I wanted to kind of cover some of the benefits of sprouts. We did cover a few of the benefits in the other previous videos, but I kind of wanted to dig in a little bit deeper on this video, talking about the benefits of sprouts. But I do want to let you guys know that there is something special going on right now. It's called the plant-based bundle. The plant-based bundle is going on only for a few days. There's over 100 different digital products that you're getting from different creators around the world for $50. It's over $4,200 worth of stuff for $50. You cannot beat that deal. And it's a great way to support us all. I feel so grateful to be a part of it and to be able to put out this kind of information to hopefully inspire more people to just add more plants into their life, right? More plant-based eating is definitely much, much better for us, in so many ways, not only for our personal health, but for the planet and the animals that are out there, right? So it's an incredible thing to do to make the switch and just to at least incorporate more plants into your diet if you haven't already. All right, without further ado, you guys, let's get into the video. Let's talk about some of the benefits of sprouts. Absolutely incredible. Now, further in the series, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of microgreens. We haven't got into the microgreens yet. We're still in the sprout stage. So we're going to cover just a few of the benefits of sprouts. Now, sprouts are full of protein, believe it or not, right? They're full of fiber, folate, sulforaphane, vitamins, minerals, beta carotene. I mean, it is absolutely incredible what is found within a sprout. You wouldn't necessarily think so. You're thinking, oh, it's just a tiny little sprout. But of course, you don't want to eat just one little sprout. You want to have lots of them. So that's why sprouting for yourself is definitely going to be beneficial. Now, eating sprouts is really good for our brain function, good brain health. It's going to help our digestion, right? So we're going to have better digestion, better movements, right? Definitely key. We want to have movements. We don't want to have stuff stagnant in there. It's going to help us feel better. It's going to build our immune system, because when we have a healthy gut, we have a healthy immune system. And they say like 80% of our serotonin is actually produced within the gut. So the healthier gut that we have, the better we're going to feel. The more powerful we're going to be, the more vibrant we're going to feel, the more vitality we're going to have within our life. They also support our cardiovascular health. They support our skin. Ingesting these kinds of things are all going to be beneficial in so many ways. Not to mention, like I said before, the constipation. I know a lot of people who are really suffering from chronic constipation, meaning they don't have a bowel movement every single day. And we should be having a couple a day, right? Some people go maybe 3-4 days without having a bowel movement. That's chronic constipation. That's low fiber, low hydration. So if that is you, if you're listening to this video, make sure you get more water in. Put down the coffee, put down the soda, put down the energy drinks and the beer and the booze and all that stuff. Drink more water and definitely incorporate more high fiber foods into your daily life. Now, sprouts and studies have been shown to prevent cancer. Of course, like we were discussing earlier, it's going to be good for your brain health. So Alzheimer's, these sort of things, Parkinson's, these sort of diseases, these brain diseases, we want to be preventing these things. So what can we do? We can eat what Mother Nature provided for us, right? Mother Nature knows best. So when we go back to eating the way nature intended it, the better off we're going to be. Now, of course, there's different autoimmune diseases out there as well, right? Like I said, different skin issues, maybe some eczema, these kinds of things. The more hydrating foods and the more high fiber foods and the more nutrition we can be ingesting on a daily basis, the better off we're going to be. Now, they say the skin is the third kidney. It's a filtration system. So we want our skin to be healthy. We want our skin to be hydrated. We want it to be clean. So definitely sprouts can aid in that. So another cool thing, you guys, is research has shown that raw broccoli has 10 times the amount of sulforaphane than cooked broccoli. And broccoli sprouts have 5 times the amount of sulforaphane than raw broccoli, if that makes sense. Absolutely incredible. And what's even more amazing is that sulforaphane has been linked to having anti-cancer properties, right? Helping us with cancers like bladder cancer, skin cancer, prostate cancer, throat cancer, lung cancer, kidney cancer, like all kinds of cancer. So we want to be ingesting these sorts of foods. So the sulforaphane, of course, is a very major aspect to broccoli sprouts and the cruciferous vegetables, the cruciferous families like broccoli and cabbages and Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, these sorts of things. So you might be wondering, what is this sulforaphane, right? And this is kind of where broccoli sprouts have like come up onto the main stage, is the amount of sulforaphane that they have within them. And especially like we were talking, the raw broccoli has quite a bit more than cooked broccoli, and broccoli sprouts have even more than the raw broccoli. So there's the sulforaphane, which is what we want. That has the anti-cancer properties, right? So the sulforaphane is something we want. Now, what's cool is there's two enzymes within cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables being like the cabbages, the broccolis, the cauliflowers, the Brussels sprouts, these sorts of things. But let's just take broccoli, for example. Two enzymes within the broccoli. One is myrosinase and one is glucoraphanin, if I'm saying that right. I'm probably not saying that right. But when you chew the broccoli sprouts or the raw broccoli, the myrosinase turns the glucoraphanin into sulforaphane. So this phytochemical, sulforaphane, like I said, is found in several different other cruciferous vegetables, but the broccoli, it's very, very predominant in the broccoli. So that is something that we store like huge jars full of broccoli seeds at our place, and we're growing microgreens all the time of broccoli, as well as sprouting. We constantly have broccoli sprouts to add to our dishes. They're just delicious. So you guys, there's just a few of the health benefits of sprouts. We should all be sprouting, and I really, really hope that you guys get into it. There's lots of information out there. My new book, Alive, I'm discussing in there everything that I've learned so far, some of the different ins and outs, different tools that you need. You don't need much to be growing broccoli sprouts. It's absolutely incredible. So yeah, and like I said, my new book, Alive, it's a part of the plant-based bundle, which down in the link below, you can check that out. Go to the website and see everything that you're getting in there. There's over 100 items within that for $4,200. But it's $50 for the plant-based bundle. Absolutely incredible. It's like a 97% discount. And so be sure to check that out, you guys. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for staying this long into the video. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like the video. And also the bell for notifications for new uploads. I'm going to be doing a video every single day for the next what do we got? 7 days. This was a 10-part series. This is video number 3. So be sure to come back again tomorrow and check us out. And for those of you guys who've already subscribed and you're tuning back in, thanks for the support. Miss you guys. Love you guys. And until tomorrow.